Dalawang very important advice para sa OFW na gustong mag-for good. Yes, you heard it right. OFW ka ba at gusto mo nang mag-for good sa Pilipinas? These two important advice is very important para makapag-for good ka. Number one, savings. Yes, please understand the reason why na nag-OFW ka kasi one day gusto mo nang makapag-ipon na malaki at mag-business sa Pilipinas. So, dapat yung budgeting mo very strict. At as much as possible, wag mong ipadala lahat sa Pilipinas. At as much as possible, mas malaki pa yung savings mo kaysa doon sa expenses mo. So, that's number one. Number two naman, business skills. Alam nyo, hindi po basta-basta mag-business. Kailangan may experience ka, kailangan may karunungan ka. Marami na kung kakilalang, umuwi sa Pilipinas, nag-business, hindi na makapag-take off kasi walang business skills. So, ito yung the best para ma-develop mo yung business skills mo. Pwede kang magsimula ng online business. Most specifically, forex trading. Now, the best thing about this one, you can do business habang nandyan ka. Gamit lang ang cellphone at internet. So, habang nandyan ka, kung saan yung free time mo, 1 or 2 hours, pwede mo siyang gawin. And another thing is that, madedevelop yung business skills mo. Ito yung pinaka-importanting kailangan mo para makapag-for good ka at maging successful yung business mo for long term. Kailangan ma-develop yung business skills mo. So, if you're interested about this one, meron po kaming webinar. Bibigyan po kayo ng free access. Yes, you're it right. I'll give you free access sa webinar po namin about introduction to forex trading na pwede mong gawin habang nandyan ka pa. Okay, the best part is that free lang po itong webinar. Message below so that I will give you how to access ng free webinar at paano mag-start. Kaya, message now.